I'm going to do a reading on the late Mr. Kirk Douglas. And we're going to find out how much we can learn as far as spiritually by someone's life and someone's realizations since he died at 103. All right, let's see, shall we? Again, this reading is for Kirk Douglas in his memory. What we have is the Eight of Wands, which represents hastiness, and it's all about action and romance-filled holidays, which definitely played their part in his life, according to this spread. The King of Wands is representative of the importance of using the control that you have, taking chances and using that control to bring about the desires of what you're trying to do in life and to make things happen in that manner. The next card that's coming up here is the Devil's card, and it signifies warnings. Warnings against bondage and lack of discretion within life due to the fact that it does affect life. It affects life. So that's what's coming up. And here is the next card, which is the Seven of Pentacles. And off the top of my head, it does signify watching yourself grow in money matters, and basically the rewards of doing things that help you monetarily, that help you to provide for yourself. Okay, so yes, it's the Seven of Pentacles. So using your ideas to promote your own prosperity, not going away from, your ideas. Well, you don't want to refuse to give your ideas a chance. So that definitely speaks in volumes there. I'm going to see if we can make any contact with any spirit guides. And this is the second time that, see, the batteries have gone out either right before a reading or during a reading. And if there are any requests for me to go back in and do an EVP with Kirk Douglas in mind, then what I'm going to do is just at that point go ahead and do a reading. Also, any suggestions that anyone has as it relates to doing EVPs on individuals who are still alive or those who have crossed over. Since I happen to have some batteries right here, I'm going to go ahead and see if these work. And I'm definitely not trying to extend the video until I go to the store and get batteries. So these are, in fact, not working either. So I could do it upon request. If these batteries work, I'm going to go ahead and, all right, they're low. And then I'm not getting a response. Let's see. One last try here. Oh, quite a few batteries on deck. Just waiting to come through for me. And again, someone's been doing been on a battery hunt in my room. From what it looks like here. Let's see. And you know, there are those times where less comes up. And I'm just getting noises here. So that is going to likely be the, what is it? That broke the camel's back. The last straw, really. Okay, we don't want to give up too easily here. Well, I don't. So I'm not getting anything due to a drainage. What can I say? Tons of energy flowing through the spirit box. So, if you did enjoy this reading, I will appreciate your like if you decide to go there and give me one. And again, if you'd like me to try with a renewed sense of hope for another EVP session here, then I can go ahead and do another one. But for now, that's all she wrote, I guess you could say. Thanks for joining me.